Let's explore some aspects of the new Projetex cloud server. Here we have the Projects grid. Let's select a project and proceed to its Files tab. The project's list of folders appears, displaying the incoming folder as one of the predefined ones. In this folder, we see a file, a translation job. The status is Team, indicating that the file is stored server-side with the same copy available to us locally. In the Version tab, we can see that there's one version and it's in its original state. Now we'll create a share to send the file to someone. Click the Share button, select New Share, then choose the expiration date for the share, and click OK. The share is now created, and we see a public link that can be sent via email or text message to the intended recipient. By clicking Go, the link opens in our default browser and the file downloads. We can click to open and view its contents. Notice that the share icon now appears in the Shares column, indicating the file has been shared. Next, let's open the outgoing folder for the same project. This folder stores the translation results. Suppose a translator completed the translation job and sent us the file translated.ot. After making corrections to the file, we check the Versions tab, which shows two versions, the original file and the corrected one. We can download the original file. The system alerts us to a newer version, so we confirm before downloading. Here's the original file as received from the translator. Now, we retrieve the corrected version from the Versions window and see our changes. Let's make further edits to the file and save it. The status updates, indicating local changes. But no new versions are available yet because the file hasn't been uploaded to the server. We then upload the file, add a brief comment, optional but recommended, and see the third version appear. We can share this file with someone, such as the project manager or another team member. After creating the share and naming it, we can copy the link to the clipboard and open it in the browser. Although we could paste it into a messenger or email, we'll stick to the browser for now. Here's our link, pointing to our local loopback address, 127.0.0.1. This address is only accessible from our computer, so it won't work for others. Let's fix this. Open Settings, Administrator, then Projetex Cloud Server, and stop the server to allow changes. In the external field, enter the correct server address. Let's assume our server's local network address is 192.168.100.2. After saving the settings and restarting the server, we delete the old share, which still points to the previous address, and create a new one. Now, it points to 192.168.100.2, allowing colleagues on the same network to access it. To enable sharing worldwide, additional network setup is required from your network administrators. Let's assume these steps are done. If your company owns the public domain ourcompany.org with SSL certificates installed and the domain name forwarded to your cloud server's external IP, enter https ourcompany.org in the external field. Save the settings, start the server, and create a new share. Now, provided the network setup is correct, anyone with the link can access the share.